In this video, I'm going to go over everything that you receive with your Rolanstar bed frame and how to assemble it. They give you all the tools that you need, so you do not need any of your own, and really the only tool there is an Allen wrench, and then you got to screw in some bolts. But the first step is assembling the outer frame itself, and this is just 2 screws, and most of this is already assembled. You just need to expand it and then put those screws in. Step 2 is connecting the whole frame. This is really simple. It's just a few screws in each corner, and you're good to move on to the inner support. The inner support consists of one support beam going down the middle and then another one coming across. All of this is just a few screws in a couple of different spots. It took me like 5 minutes to do. It was really simple. And now you're able to lay the slats down and this whole bed frame is complete. Overall, this took me about 30 minutes to assemble this whole frame. And now for the final step is installing your charging station and LED lights. The charging station just pops into place, and the LED lights come with double-sided tape on them. So all you need to do is stick them to the bottom of your bed frame and you're good to go. And here's what it looks like when it's fully assembled and the lights are going. There's a bunch of different modes with the lights, timers you can use. It has a remote, but they also have an app too you can install on your phone, so you don't even need to use a remote if you don't want to. But overall, this was super easy to put together. The frame was affordable. It's exactly what I wanted. So I'm happy with this product. It gets 2 thumbs up from me.